Hi everyone, I'm here again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to take you to into video editing. Windows 10 have a video editor app in the system. So just for every beginner, the simplest way you can combine your videos for YouTube or for anything that you want to do, maybe combine videos and just post them for fun or anything. You can make money as well with it on YouTube, but I'm focusing on like combining videos and some editing tutorial, the simplest editing tutorial for beginners. So here we search for the editing app. You can type it on the search bar, but I do really prefer like going to the exact place where it is on the PC. And here for me, this is the video editor. So I clicked on it and yeah, so this is it. I am already working on some videos, but you see, as soon as you come, I remove them. So because as soon as you launch the video editing application on your PC, it's a free editor. You don't need any internet, you don't need anything. But when you're on the internet too, I think it's good. You get more features for yourself. So you're gonna start editing a video. I'm working on a video. So that's it. I'm a beginner as well, so I'm doing a video. Like how I'm doing it. If you have a PC, it's simple. So that's it. I'm working on a video. So let's say new video. New video is the title. So let's say new video. So here is it. You go to add from this PC or add from my collection, but go to add from my collection so you can access your folders from the PC. So there's it. I already have imported some videos already from my PC to the video editing app. So if you want to import your videos from the PC or from any folder, you go directly to import. There is an import section or import button here. So you click on import. You can see that you click on import and then a pop-up menu will appear. Why is it not working now? So that's it. So import from a folder. So when you get here, either from the desktop, from the document, wherever you want to import, you just go there and then you click on import items from this folder, and you will get exactly the videos you want on the editing app. And like mine, I just imported them, so they are already on it. So I have them on it already. So here is how I combine the videos. I know which video I want to appear first. I know the video I want in the center or in the middle, which is the original video. So I'm going to combine some videos and you're going to see how it's going to work right now. So you take the first video you want, the first video you want what you want to appear first, the video you want to play first, and then what you need in the middle, which is maybe the main thing, and then your ending, how to end the video. But you should get everything on point. So after I select all these things, I then click or select add on the video editing application. So here's what I have now. I have this, so you can see the videos arranged. You should be mindful of that, how they are arranged. That is how they will play. With these 3 videos I selected it mindfully, so that they play according to the first video you play before the second, before the third. So here what you do is you place them in storyboard. So I right click on the storyboard and they are all placed. If you want to rearrange it, you can rearrange them. If it doesn't fix, you want to maybe delete. You don't want this video here, you want this video in the middle. You can even switch like that. You see, you can switch like that or like that. You see, so just arrange them as it is, as you want it to play. So that's it. And then see how when I click on play here, it's gonna play now. So I'm trying to edit. So you see the second video is now about to play and it's playing. So when it is done, the last video will play. So no need to, because this detail is a little bit private. So after everything, the last video will play. You see, the last video will play, and then the video has been combined as I wanted. But I can apply 1 or 2 filters or speed or motion or effects. So I just want you to see how the last video will also play. And then so you see the last video is also playing. Neat. Yes, so I have this. There are 3D effects if you want to use. So on any video you want to use the 3D, this is the last video. If I want to use a 3D, yes, so I can place this thing here, enlarge it, and place it well. So it is enlarged, it is placed well. That's how I want it. So I just click on done. I just click on done, and from here you select at what time, at what duration, which part of the video in time you want the effect to appear. So you can see the time is 53 seconds. So by 53 seconds this thing should appear. So I'm done. So when I play the last video, as you can see, I have selected the last video. So when I play the last video, you can see that. So at 53 seconds. No, let me play the last video now. So you see, the last video is playing. Oh no, that's the last video. The effect I put there, you can see that. That's the last video. That's the effect. Yeah. So I can choose the middle video and add some 3D effects, motion, text as well. So maybe let me add filters to this, and these are the filters. These are for beginners. In fact, everything is here. You can do everything here. You just have to be smart enough to know what you want to do, and then you do it right. So these are filters: inky, spacia, iceberg, Timmy, adventure, a whole lot of stuff right here. Pixel, arcade. If I look at the arcade, you see arcade is playing, and this is how the arcade looks like. You can't even see what is going on, but it is a filter, and that's great. So let's just put it on original, and then let's just combine the videos for simplicity, how you want to see it. So these are my videos. I have done them. All I gotta do is maybe add a background music or a background beat, and that's it. So it plays a background beat. So that's it. So I have these 3 videos combined. I have them combined right now. They are going to be playing as I have arranged them down there. So all I have to do is come to the right angle corner here and click on finish video, and as you can see, it says export. So you right click on the export, and then the video, you give the name you want. So I like to use new video, and that's the name, and then just export it. It will export and compressed and get combined for you to have a full video, not pieces of them. You have a full video now to use. It's just the basic video editing you can do for now. When you're connected to the internet, you get a whole lot of features that you can use for advancing your video, or getting more things on your video. So you can see there are more things. I didn't even show you more of the effect, the filters. There are more effects, there are more filters. You can also add speed. You can type in something, anything you want to do. So that's it. Thanks for watching.